Hello guys, I welcome you again in this another video, and I hope you're just excited like me because the pre-booking for the iPhone 12 Pro is going to be start from 23rd of October 12 a.m. so get ready. And for the 12 Pro Max, the pre-booking gonna start from 6th of November 6:30 p.m. So if you're planning to buy this new beautiful eye-catching iPhone, then you're at right place. Don't worry, I'm not gonna sell you this, but I'll surely help you to know that how this iPhone is better than iPhone 11 and if this iPhone is worth buying if you already have an iPhone 11 or you want to exchange that. So let's begin the video.
This is iPhone 12 Pro. The vertical band is precision machined from stainless steel. The ceramic shield on the front is tougher than any smartphone glass. And tighter borders allow for even larger Super Retina XDR displays. A14 Bionic has a smaller 5nm transistor which pushes the most powerful chip in the smartphone generations ahead. A new and improved Pro camera system makes the 12 Pro the photographer's iPhone. The larger iPhone 12 Pro Max takes these innovations even further. Its bigger sensor dramatically increases the detail captured and helps improve low light performance by 87%. The custom-designed LiDAR scanner puts advanced depth mapping technology in your pocket. You can now take a night mode portrait and unlock a new world of possibilities for augmented reality. iPhone 12 Pro smashes the benchmark for highest quality video in a smartphone. And the movie industry can now count on it as an essential piece of equipment. It is the world's first device able to capture, playback, and edit 10-bit HDR footage with Dolby Vision. iPhone 12 Pro comes in 2 sizes and in 4 finishes, including New Pacific Blue. An integral part of this year's design is MagSafe, an intelligent system of magnets that connect accessories in a whole new way. All this and more make iPhone 12 Pro the most powerful iPhone ever.
So guys, as you saw in the video, this new iPhone has some amazing features, and the number one is less bezel, more screen. Yes guys, this new iPhone has more functioning screen rather than this bezel or this black screen on the side, which is not usable for us. Now if we talk about the screen size of both these iPhones, so guys, this iPhone 12 Pro has 6.1 inches Super Retina XDR display, where iPhone 12 Pro Max has 6.7 inches Super Retina XDR display, which definitely gonna give you a better video quality experience. And if you want to compare this with 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max, so iPhone 11 Pro has a 5.8 inches Super Retina XDR display, and iPhone 11 Pro Max has 6.5 inches Super 18 XDR display. Strongest screen ever. Yes guys, you heard me correct. This new iPhone has the strongest screen ever used in any smartphone, including Apple. Apple has used the ceramic seal, which is made of nano-ceramic crystals, which is harder than the most of the metals. The next best thing they have done is they have used this dual ion exchange process to make this iPhone scratch resistance. And the last and best thing they have done to contribute in the durability of the front cover or the front screen is they have used this new technology which sits on the push of the edges of the phone, which helps it or which protect it even more. Altogether, we can say it's a perfect drop performance. So guys, this iPhone comes with 4 different finishes or in 4 different colors. The first we have Pacific Blue, Gold, Silver and Graphite. So guys, this new iPhone comes with A14 Bionic chip, which is the first 5nm chip in the industry with advanced component atom widths. And this will definitely gonna increase the working of your phone. All the features gonna work in a much better way. So guys, we all know the best thing about iPhones is the camera, and in this iPhone the night mode comes with both the wide and ultra wide cameras, and it's better than ever at capturing incredible low light shots. LiDAR, which was also used in Mars mission, it has made the night mode portrait possible. let's see some other features or some other things which this camera contains. So we have the wide camera with f1.16, a picture capture 27% more light, which means it captures more light. We have new 7 elements wide lens for edge to edge sharpness, and we have new iOS makes 5000 adjustment per second. And last we have this ladder which I already discussed, the ladder which delivers up to 6x faster, 6 into faster autofocus in low light, which is basically full light. Guys, if you talk about charging or battery, so this new iPhone comes with mega safe charge and a wireless charging. You can just tuck in and go, you can charge wherever you want, and you can charge wirelessly at a fast speed.